At Mount Uhud, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said, Uhud loves us and we love Uhud. This small hill, it's called Jabal al-Ruma, the hill of the archers. This is where the second great battle in Islam took place. The Prophet placed 50 archers here. He told them, don't leave your position no matter what happens. At first, the Muslims were winning, but some of the archers thought the battle was over. They left their positions to collect the spoils. That's when Khalid bin Walid, who was fighting with the Quraysh at that time, saw his chance. He took his soldiers and attacked from behind. The lesson of Uhud was clear. Obedience to the Prophet is everything. 70 companions lost their lives in this battle, and Hazrat Hamza is one of them, where his grave is. Hazrat Hamza, one of the most powerful personality of Islam. He used to hunt lion in desert. When he was alive, he was known as Lion of Allah. And when he passed away, he is known as Master of Martyrs. This gravesite is a symbol of devotion and heroism in Islamic history. This is Masjid Qiblatain. This is where the direction of prayer was changed to Kaaba. Qiblatain translates to two Qiblas. You see the mark above? That's the symbol of direction towards Aqsa Mosque, but the actual direction is slightly left to it. The shift in direction occurred during a prayer in this mosque, when Prophet Muhammad received a revelation to turn towards the Kaaba in Mecca. The mosque was completely torn down and rebuilt in 1987. Prophet Muhammad is said to have drunk water and made ablution from this well. And he even instructed to wash him after his demise from the water of this well. This is the house of Hazrat Ali. May Allah be pleased with him. It was destroyed recently due to heavy rain, so they are rebuilding it. This mosque was built in the Ottoman Empire by the Sultan of Turkey. We came to this famous place called Jerusalem, and we came to try this. It's called My Bride Is Mine. Let's try this. A mango taste is also a mixed flavor, and it also got some nuts in there. Along with mango, I can taste strawberries. This is a double. You guys should really try this place, because this place have the best juices. So guys, we have gotten a chicken pesto spaghetti. Let's try it. Oh my god, that's so creamy. It's so creamy. That flavor is so good. So after Asr prayer, they open gates for Jannat Baqi. Jannat Baqi was the first Islamic cemetery. It is the burial site of many of Prophet's family members, companions, and prominent Islamic figures. Baqi is open for visitors after Fajr and Asr prayer, but for a short time. So guys, we found this place called Madina and we are trying kabsa. This is really good. This is my first Arabic dish and I think it's so good. Let's add some lemon. Let's try it with the chicken. The lemon and the chili sauce gives it more flavor. The chili sauce it adds more spice to it. And this is also very, very hot. So guys, we found this Pakistani restaurant and we found some samosas which are only 1 riyal for one samosa. Let's try. This one is so good, it's so crisp. So guys, you know, hibiscus juice is just the best juice that I ever had. So you know how to get one, because now, every day I'm gonna get one. It's just good. It's just too good. So guys, we have got a mango and chocolate ice cream which is mixed. Let's try the chocolate first. Oh, good as usual. I prefer chocolate over mango, but they're both really good. The ice cream color is really popular here. So guys, we are at the new street food lane, which is called Souq Al Uyun. Let's go and explore it. Every stall has different fruits like watermelon, pineapple, oranges, banana. You can also do pottery here. This place was a real surprise. The entire lane is full of streets, food stalls, and people selling local products. At night, this place turns magical with bright lights and Uhud mountain at the backdrop with lights lit all over. It is a treat for the eye. I think this is a good spot to spend time with family, especially in the evening. It's only 10 minutes away from Madina.
More spice.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're from?
I'm from London.
You want some cumin? Tell me stop. Sure. Later, okay? When you're finished, just give me. Okay?
So guys, I got some mantles which are my favorite now. Let's try. That's spicy, and they made it very hot as well. Ooh, these are my favorites. Let's explore other food stalls. There were many options, but we saw this stall selling fresh potato chips. So guys, we got some fries and they have lots of mixed sauces. We had a cheese sauce, garlic, ketchup and chili sauce. Simple but really good. It's the sauces that makes all the difference. Guys, forget about McDonald's. If you come here, try this. Way better. So guys, we were really tired, so we decided to get mango juice. Let's try it. It's cold and refreshing and tastes exactly like mango. So guys, I recommend you to have this place and go in the evening. This is the mosque of Hazrat Ali and this is the mosque of Abu Bakr. May Allah be pleased with them. But these mosques are closed. This is Mosque Gamama, meaning the cloud mosque. Prophet prayed his last 2 Eid prayers in this mosque, and he also prayed for rain in this mosque. So today is our last day in Medina. I feel like we just got here, but time went by so fast. Medina is such a special place. It feels so calm, so peaceful. I wish we could stay longer, but I know we have to go. I just hope and pray that one day everyone gets a chance to come here and feel this happiness too. And I really, really hope we come back soon.